Good morning, reception, and welcome to another review lesson on all of the sound, the special friends that we know, and also a different way of reading with me. So we have Fred here today. You really impressed him yesterday with your reading and also all of the sounds that you knew. So let's see if you can do the same today. So, like always, we are going to start with our sounds. Okay. So off you go. I, good. E. Oo. Oi. A. Nk. O. Ch. Kwa. Ng. Ow. Or. Ah. Sh. And air. Fantastic. Let's see if you can be even quicker. And without my help this time, off you go. Great job, reception. So now you are going to need either a piece of paper and a pen or a pencil or a whiteboard and a board marker like I have. Okay, so I will give you a few seconds to go and get those. Lovely. So we are going to try and write some of our sounds like we did yesterday. The first sound I would like us to try and write is I. I fly high. Good. We need an I, a G, and a. So remember, 3 letters, 1 sound. The next sound is oi. Oi, toy for a boy. Pause the video, have a go at writing it. Good job. So oi, toy for a boy. We need an and a y. Underline your special friends. And the last sound is ow, shout it out. Good job. So we need an and an Underline your special friends. So we're going to have a go at writing one word that has I in it, one word that has oi, and one word that has ow. So the word in I that we are going to be writing is might. Show me your Fred fingers. How many sounds are there in might? Good job. There are 3 sounds in might. Pinch your sounds. I, t. Might. Write it down. Well, pause the video and write it down. Good job. So might looks like this. We need an then an I. Underline your special friends, and then a t. Okay, so we have I, t. So tick for tick for I, tick for t. Good job. Now for oi, we are going to try and write the word boy. How many sounds are there in boy? Good job. There are only 2 sounds in boy. Pinch your sounds. B, oi, boy. Write it down. Okay, so we need a B. Hopefully you have a B. and then an oi. Hopefully you can see that. B and oi. Underline your special friends. Tick for b, and tick for oi. Now the last sound, ow, we are going to try and write the word shout. Okay, shout. So there's two special friends there. But how many sounds are there in shout? Good job. There are 3 sounds in shout. Pinch your sounds. Sh, out, shout. Pause the video now and have a go at writing shout. Lovely. Let's try and write it together. So first sound is sh. Underline your special friends. We have ow. Underline those special friends. And the last sound is t. So a tick for sh, tick for ow, and a tick for t. Good job. You have aced the spelling part of our lesson. So let's move on to reading. Same as yesterday. We have 3 stories in one. We also have some questions at the end. You pause the video when I tell you, have a go at reading, and then we will try and read it together. So this storybook is called Woof Woof. And the first story is called Woof Woof as well. So pause the video now and have a go at reading our green words and also our red words. Okay, I'll tell you what the red word says. It is my, okay, my, but have a go at Fred talking those green words. Pause the video now. Good job. Let's try and Fred talk them together. G, ot, got. At, fat. Dog, dog. Big, big. Woof, woof. In, fin. A, which is a. Black, black. And as, has. And then we have our root words, p, up, pup, which turns into pups. And this word, red word, is my, like I said. So here is the first page. Pause the video now and have a go at reading it. Good job. So let's try and read it together. Red words, my, dog, dog, as, has, got, got, 4, ups, pups. My dog has got 4 pups. A, big, big, up, pup. A big pup. Good work. Have a go at reading this page. So pause the video. Lovely. Let's read it together. A, black, black, p, up, pup. A black pup. A, fin, fin, p, up, pup. A thin pup. Good job. And the last page. Have a go at reading that now. So pause the video. Good job. Let's try and read it together. And, a, at, fat, p, up, pup. And a fat pup. Woof, 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 woof. Just like a dog, okay? So let's go on to our questions for this story. How many pups does the dog have? How many pups does the dog have? Good job. 4 pups. My dog has got 4 pups. Second question, what do the pups look like? What do the pups look like? Yeah, so we have a big pup, a black pup, a thin pup, and a fat pup. Good job. So we are going to move on to our second story. So I would like you to pause the video now and try and read our green words and also try and read these 2 red words. Pause the video. Okay, let's try and read them together. N-ap, nap, sit, sit, nip, nip, on, sand, sand, a, ink, pink, help, help, have, soft, soft, quick, quick, flat, flat, crab, crab. And our red words are I and the. I, the. So this story is called Help. So I would like you to pause the video now and read that first sentence, please. So we have I, sit, sit, on, the, soft, soft, sand, sand. I sit on the soft sand. Good job. Have a go at reading this page. So pause the video. Good job. Let's read it together. I have a quick nap. I have a quick nap. Nip, 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 nip. A flat, flat, pink, pink, crab, crab. A flat, pink, crab. And the last page of this story, will you try and read it for me? So pause the video. Good, let's read it together. Help. So if that one says help, then this one should say help too. Help, help. Good job. So questions for this story are, what does the girl do after sitting on the sand? What does the girl do after sitting on the sand? So she's sitting on the stand here. So what does she do after? Good work. She has a quick nap, and it says, I have a quick nap. So that's what she does. And then what happens to the girl whilst she is napping? Good, you're right. There is a flat pink crab that goes nip, nip at her toes. Good work, Reception. I think you are ready for story number 3. Okay, and it is called The Big Match. So pause the video now and have a go at reading our green words and then also the red words as well. Okay, let's try and read them together. Win, win, big, big, net, net, man, man, ick, kick, back, back, clap, clap, in, a, it is. Then we have our root word, red, red, which becomes reds. Then our red words are the, I hope you got that one right. That's one of our high frequency words, and of. I hope you also got that one because that is also one of our high frequency words. So you are going to start by pausing the video to read our first page. Good job. So we have a, man, a man, a, big, big, kick, a big kick. So a man, a big kick. Lovely. You are ready for page 2. So try and read that one. Pause the video now. Good work. So let's read it together. It is in, the, back of, the, net. It is in the back of the net. Clap, 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 clap. So clap, clap, clap. Fantastic reading. We have one more page. Well done, reception. And the last page, try and read that. So pause the video now and try and read it for me. Good job. It says, the reds win. The reds win. Fantastic. So questions for this story. What happens when the man kicks the ball? What happens when the man kicks the ball? So we've got a big kick here. And then what happens to the ball? You are right. It goes in the back of the net. Lovely. And then the final question is, which team wins? So which team wins? Good job. It is the red team that wins. Lovely reading, reception, and fantastic sounds as well. That is all for today's phonics lesson. I will see you tomorrow for our last review lesson of this half term. Bye.